Do you want to start investing in 2025, but feel overwhelmed by all the options? What if I told you that you don't need a finance degree or thousands of dollars to begin building wealth? Stick around, because today we'll explore 5 beginner-friendly investment plans that will help you start investing confidently, even if you've never done it before. If you're ready to take your first steps toward financial independence, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Investment Plan 1. Robo-advisors. If you've ever heard of robo-advisors but weren't sure how they work, let me break it down for you. A robo-advisor is an online platform that uses computer algorithms to manage your investments, making it ideal for beginners who want a hands-off approach. These services offer low fees, typically between 0.25% to 0.50% of your balance per year, and many have no minimum deposit requirement, so you can start investing with as little as $5. Once you open an account, the robo-advisor does the hard work of selecting a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds for you. The best part? You don't need to know much about the stock market. The robo-advisor takes care of it all. Plus, many platforms offer educational tools so you can learn as you go. If you're new to investing, this can be an excellent introduction. You can watch how the algorithms work to build a portfolio, and over time, you'll understand more about the choices the robo-advisor makes. This is a low-maintenance, smart investment strategy that allows you to start building wealth without a lot of effort or expertise. Robo-advisors are perfect if you want to get your money working for you but don't have the time or knowledge to actively manage it yourself. Plus, they often provide a tailored investment strategy that adapts to your risk tolerance and financial goals. Investment Plan 2. Investment apps. Next up, investment apps. Perfect for beginners who want to start small and work their way up. These apps are user-friendly, making it easy for you to begin investing, often without needing a lot of initial capital. One popular example is Acorns, which automatically rounds up your everyday purchases on linked debit or credit cards and invests the spare change in a diversified portfolio. It's like setting up an automatic savings plan that invests for you, and you can get started with just $5. Acorns makes investing so effortless that you don't even have to think about it. It's all automated, and before you know it, your small change is being invested in a well-diversified portfolio of ETFs. Another great app is Stash, which helps you build your own portfolio of individual stocks and ETFs while teaching you how to make smart investment decisions. Stash also offers managed portfolios if you prefer a more hands-off approach. These apps are a perfect starting point for beginners who want to learn while doing, with little to no effort required on your part. Plus, with many apps offering low or no account minimums, you can get started without needing a lot of money. Investing apps also help make investing fun and easy to track. You can see exactly how your investments are growing right from your phone, making it convenient and motivating to stay on track with your financial goals. Investment Plan 3. Target Date Mutual Funds. If you're looking for a more hands-off approach but still want a reliable investment option, target date mutual funds are worth considering. These funds are perfect for beginners who want to invest for retirement or long-term goals but don't have time to manage individual investments. So, what are they? A target date mutual fund is a type of retirement fund that automatically adjusts its asset allocation as you get closer to your target retirement date. For example, if you plan to retire in 2050, you might invest in a 2050 target date fund. Initially, these funds will focus more on stocks, which have higher growth potential over the long term. As your retirement date approaches, the fund gradually shifts toward bonds and safer investments. This means you don't have to worry about rebalancing your portfolio as time passes. It's all done for you. Target date funds are a great option for those looking for convenience. The fund managers automatically adjust the portfolio to fit your timeline, so you can sit back and let your investment grow without constantly monitoring it. Another benefit is that many target date funds are available with low fees, making them an affordable way to invest for your retirement. They're a great solution if you want to invest for the long term but don't have the time or expertise to manage your investments actively. This allows you to focus on your goals without worrying about adjusting your strategy as market conditions change. Investment Plan 4. Index Funds. Index funds are one of the simplest and most efficient investment options out there. They allow you to invest in a broad range of companies with just one purchase, making it a perfect choice for beginners who want diversification without the hassle. An index fund is essentially a fund that tracks a market index, such as the S&P 500, which includes 500 of the largest companies in the US. Instead of choosing individual stocks, an index fund automatically buys shares of the companies in the index, offering you exposure to a wide variety of sectors. This is a low-cost, low-effort strategy for those who want to invest without needing to research and pick individual stocks. Index funds are also a great way to gain exposure to the entire market without having to pick and choose specific sectors. The beauty of index funds is their low fees, making them an affordable and easy way to start investing. Many brokers offer index funds with no minimum deposit, which means you can start with less than $100. Over time, as your investments grow, you'll see the power of compound interest working for you. This makes index funds one of the most reliable and beginner-friendly investment options for anyone looking to build wealth over time. Because of their passive nature, index funds tend to outperform actively managed funds over the long term, making them a smart choice for beginners who want to invest in the market without spending time on active management. Investment Plan 5: Exchange-Traded Funds, ETFs. Finally, let's talk about exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. Similar to index funds, ETFs allow you to invest in a broad collection of stocks or bonds, but with one key difference: they trade like stocks throughout the day. The main advantage of ETFs is their flexibility. Because they trade like stocks, you can buy and sell them at any time during market hours, just like individual stocks. This is perfect if you want more control over the timing of your investments. Many ETFs track popular indexes like the S&P 500, but there are also niche ETFs that focus on specific industries or sectors like technology or renewable energy. ETFs offer diversification in one purchase, so you're not limited to investing in just one company. This makes them a great option for beginners who want exposure to various markets. Many brokers now offer commission-free trading on ETFs, which means you can buy and sell them without worrying about extra fees eating into your returns. ETFs are a great option if you want to invest in a wide range of assets and keep your investment costs low, all while having the flexibility to trade when you need to. With so many options available, you can tailor your ETF investments to match your financial goals and risk tolerance, making them a versatile and beginner-friendly choice. And there you have it, 5 beginner-friendly investment plans to help you start building wealth in 2025. Whether you choose a robo-advisor, investment apps, target date mutual funds, index funds, or ETFs, these options are designed to make investing simple and accessible, even for beginners. Remember, the key to successful investing is consistency and patience. Start small, stay focused on your long-term goals, and watch your money grow over time. The earlier you start, the more time you give your investments to compound, setting you up for a financially secure future. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more tips on how to grow your wealth and make smarter financial decisions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.